Hello and welcome to Robotics with Om sir. So in this video we will understand x and y coordinates in mBlock 5 application. So firstly open mBlock 5. So you have to open mBlock 5 application. So here we can see we have workspace, then different controls for CyberPy and then different controls for sprites, and this is our sprite. Okay, so this is our sprite and this one is stage. So these are coordinates. So we can get coordinates by clicking here this grid icon. Then I'll make it max. So see, we have origin here. Origin means 0. So basically we have two direction or two axis, x axis and then y axis. So we'll just understand. So you might have seen graphs like this. So x and y. So this is x direction, y direction. So in x positive direction value will gradually get increases like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and up to any number of positive values. Then in negative direction 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, and then again same like y in y positive direction we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values, and then again y negative direction. So these coordinates defines the position of any sprite over the stage, on the stage we can call it. So if the sprite is here, then for that sprite, suppose I'll mark here point. See, if our sprite is here, so how do we are going to calculate value of x and y? So we can calculate like this. See, value of x is -5, and then value of y is 4. So positive 4 in positive direction. So these two are positive direction values and these two are negative direction. So if the sprite is here value of x is 2 and value of y is 3. So like this on this stage. So at any point at any position, we can calculate value of x and y. So like in Google Map, we have latitude and longitude to define position or to define location. So like this same, but here we are using value of x and y. So define position of that sprite on the stage. So see here. So suppose if I'll press sprite at the center now. So at the center, value of x and value of y is, see, this is x. So value of x is 0, value of y is also 0. So if I place my sprite here, so see, so this one is x in positive direction. Okay, so x in positive direction here and y in positive direction here. So if I have to calculate value of x for sprite, I'll draw on perpendicular to the x-axis. So it means value of x is 100. So if I draw same, I do same for y-axis. So it means value of y is also 100. So depending on the sprite position, we have different values at different positions for x and y. So if the sprite is here, so at this point, see at this point, value of x is -200 and value of y is -100. So we can give value directly. Suppose I have to place sprite here. So directly I can change value here. Like x is 100, then y is 100, then it will go directly to that position. So it means we have different coordinates or different values at different location or different coordinates at different positions. So by giving x and y values, we can define position. Like suppose I have to place sprite here. Then no doubt I have to give y 200. Okay, y is equal to 200 and x I can give 0, or if I give x 100, see x 100, here x is 100 and y is 200. So if I have to place sprite here, then See, minus 100. So I have to give y is equal to minus 100 and x is equal to 0. So y is equal to minus 100. Okay. And then x, if I give x 0, say x 0. If I give x 100, say x 100. If I give x 200, 200. Okay. So in this direction, x will get increases positively. And in this direction, x will get decreases negatively. Same like y. Suppose we have to move sprite to the upward side. So we have to increase y value, and for downward we have to decrease y value. So by practicing it, we have to remember or we have to visualize that if the position of this sprite is here, then what will be the value of x, what will be the value of y. So like this we can define value of x and y. So we can draw plus sign like this. So define giving by giving x and y values. So this video is for just understanding x and y coordinates or axis values. So we'll see how to draw plus sign in next video by using pen extension.